Welcome to Sokcho Summitbay Ocean View 709, where your luxurious getaway begins. For effortless booking and a detailed description of our offerings, simply scan the QR code displayed on screen or look for the link in the description box below. Nestled in the captivating coastal city of Sokcho-si, South Korea, our 4.5-star haven offers an unparalleled experience. Picture yourself waking to the breathtaking panorama of the ocean, a scene meticulously framed by our elegant design. Each of the two meticulously crafted rooms is a sanctuary of serenity, a testament to our dedication to your comfort. Indulge in the finest amenities, meticulously chosen to elevate your stay. While we offer a welcoming atmosphere for all, please note our child policy. Extra charges may apply for younger guests. Check-in commences at 3 p.m., allowing ample time to settle into your personal haven. Checkout is scheduled for 11 a.m., providing a relaxed transition from your luxurious retreat. Our pristine sandy shores beckon, inviting exhilarating moments and peaceful relaxation. Embrace the blend of elegance and tranquility that defines Sokcho Summitbay Ocean View 709. We invite you to experience the extraordinary. Now, for seamless booking, remember to scan the QR code again. Your exceptional escape awaits.